APA version 7 basic formatting in 5 minutes. Basic document setup requires a consistent font such as Times New Roman and a size of 11 or 12 points. Margins must be set to 1 inch on all sides. Paragraph spacing must be double. All lines are to be double spaced. Now double-click at the top of the page to enter the header. Correct the font since Word does not update the heading font when you update the page font. Now select Header Footer and insert page number on the right-hand side. Now click back into the page to begin your title page. Press Enter to add 3 to 4 double-spaced lines and then change the alignment to centered. Your title should be in bold and clearly describe the objective of your paper. Add a double-spaced blank line, then enter the author's names. Do not include titles or degrees. On the next line, add the institution, such as the department and college. Next, insert the course number and name. Then add the name of your instructor or professor. Finally, insert the date that the assignment is due. Now copy the title. Then insert a page break after the date. Paste the title at the top of page 2. This begins the main body of your paper. Align the next line on the left margin and turn off the bold font. Press the tab to indent the first line 1/2 inch. The first line of every paragraph must be indented. Now begin writing your paper. The APA format of the student written assignment is now basically complete. If your writing includes references and citations, we will add a references page in a moment. Most student papers are short enough that they do not need an abstract page. If your instructor has additional requirements or changes, follow those instructions. Headings are seldom needed in short papers, but if used, they have specific formatting. The top level, or heading 1, is centered, bold, and in title case, in which all important words begin with capital letters. Level 2 headings are flush with the left margin, bold, and in title case. Level 3 headings are also flush left and in bold, but in italics and in title case. The text after these headings all begin as a new paragraph below the heading. Level 4 and 5 headings are both indented as though they were the first sentence in a paragraph. Level 4 is bold in title case and ends with a period. Level 5 is bold in italics and title case and ends with a period. The text following either heading continues on the same line. To include a references page, insert a page break at the end of the last page of your main body. Type the word references, center it, and make it bold. Then align the next line on the left margin and turn off the bold. In Word, right-click on the line and select Paragraph Formatting. Reference entries use a special hanging indentation of 1/2 inch, wherein the first line is on the left margin and all subsequent lines are indented. Set the after spacing to 0. If your word processor does not have a hanging indent option, then just set the paragraph indent before text to 0.5 inches and the first line indent to -0.5 inches. Reference entries for different sources, such as books, magazines, videos, conferences, online sources, and others, are all different and beyond the scope of this video. Some examples appear at the end. Following is a recap of the formatting notes we've used, as well as more examples of reference and citation formats. You can pause playback to copy or screen print each of them. In particular, you should capture the book and website or online content reference examples, as well as how to make citations for each of them. I hope that you found this video helpful.